In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a screen in Adalo, ensuring you can quickly replicate and build upon existing designs without starting from scratch each time. This is a great skill to have as you work on your app development projects because it saves you time and effort, allowing you to maintain consistency and enhance your workflow efficiency. Let's dive in. As you begin on your project homepage in Adalo, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main layout. You'll notice a toolbar situated on the left side of your screen. This toolbar is like your control panel, housing all the essential tools you need to manipulate and manage your project elements seamlessly. It's important to have a clear understanding of this area since it is your gateway to all the actions you'll perform. Next, you'll want to focus on selecting the Screens option from this toolbar. This section is your Screen Management Hub. Here you see a list of all the screens that you've created within your project. Exploring this area is crucial, as it gives you an overall view of your project's structure and helps you pinpoint exactly which screen you're aiming to duplicate. Spend a little time navigating through the screens. This can help you stay organized and ensure you're working on the right elements. Once you've navigated to the Screens section, the next task is to choose the specific screen you want to duplicate. Look over the screen options available and identify the one you're interested in working with. Clarity at this stage is key as it streamlines the duplication process. Take a moment to confirm your choice to prevent any mix-ups later on. After you've pinpointed the appropriate screen, a simple click on its title is your next move. This step essentially selects the screen for further actions, preparing it for duplication. Clicking the title is a straightforward task, but it's a crucial part of the process as it ensures you won't lose track of which screen you are duplicating. Now, it's time to utilize some familiar shortcut keys. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This command copies the selected screen to your clipboard. If you've used copy-paste commands before, this will feel quite routine, but it's always a good idea to ensure you've correctly selected the screen prior to copying. With your screen copied, move on to the next essential step, pasting. Simply press Ctrl+V to paste the screen. This action duplicates the screen in your project, allowing you to see your work being replicated in real time. It's a satisfying moment seeing your efforts come to life and knowing that you've just expanded your project's capabilities. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a screen in Adalo. This newfound skill not only boosts productivity, but also opens up new possibilities for innovation within your app design process. As you continue to use this feature, you'll find it helps in maintaining consistency across your screens, creating an organized and coherent project. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.